Now it can be rebuilt in a spirit, in a joy, and a reflection at some point in time will be achieved. But the memories of what happened and the devastation never go away. So, as humans in this world, we encroach on so many different things. And we build houses in places that probably shouldn't have houses. We build cities in places that probably shouldn't have cities. We encroach on nature, for a view, for access, for any litany of reasons. And in the United States and around the world, people are pretty damn good at controlling the environment that they live in from a structural perspective. But no one's figured out how to control Mother Nature. And Mother Nature is crueler than man. Mother Nature doesn't reflect mercy. When you watch one animal kill another animal, it's brutal. It is painful. When you watch, a wave roll through and decimate a coastal town like we saw in Thailand, there's no control in it. There's no stopping it. There's reacting to it. So, my friends, their neighborhood, people that I don't even know, I start out by saying, God, my heart hurts. What a personal violation. What complete and utter loss of their identity. Because when your friends walk into your home and they see your history, you get a feeling of who that person is. Mm-hmm. Here I am doing a podcast, and one of the things that I want is for people to get a feeling for who I am and what I believe in and what motivates me. That's all gone for those people. And it will take not days, not weeks, not months, not years. It will take decades to recover.